Hi, this is Hayley from Recruitment and welcome to Marketplace. I've been helping people find their dream job for over 20 years and now I'm here to help you. So tip number one is when it comes to your introductions, rather than going into detail about what you're looking for, your objectives, which is more about you than the employer, go into detail about how you saved money, what added value you can bring to a business. If you highlight your key strengths and demonstrate that within your intro and your CV, you automatically stand out a mile away from your competition. So on to tip two, and this is to do with your job search. A targeted job search is far more successful than sending out hundreds of applications, and a massive 80% of jobs are never advertised online, which means you need to start dialogue with these companies to stand a chance of getting those roles in the first place. So we suggest making a list of companies, finding out who the contacts are, and following step one. That's really important. We want you to stand out above everyone else, and step one will help you do that. So a study done by Microsoft in 2019 concluded that humans on average have an attention span of 8 seconds. Now goldfish have 9 seconds, which is really bad. So what does that mean for you? That means that you have 8 seconds to impress an employer. Now it's not as scary as you might sound. What you need to do is make sure the first page of your CV details all the information that the employer needs. Now I don't mean just scrunching all your information up. It's more bulleted. What you want is to use the first page of your CV. It's kind of like a tapas. So it's little bits of information that the employer would love to see in a CV, and that makes them want to read more. Then they will spend longer on your CV and you're more likely to be selected. So you'll see below that I've put the CV Academy. So I've put this together and it's hours of videos, illustrations, guides. I'll walk you through every single stage of your CV and how to maximize your CV real estate. There's tips on the ATS system, and I'll give you an insider's knowledge from a recruiter's perspective. I'll do a screen share with you and show you exactly what recruiters, HR teams and employers look for. So if you would like to go ahead, please click below, and if not, good luck with your job search and I look forward to working with you.